Hello and welcome to part 4, Data Analysis and Data Visualization with Ninox. This is the scalable, clickable, interactive world map. Great thing, I think, for data visualization. That's me. And this is my start screen, putting numbers into perspective. And I claim the interactive world map has never been done before. This is, well, to my knowledge, it's never been done before with Ninox. And this is what I'm gonna show. So once again, this is the raw data here, the COVID data. I thought this is kind of interesting data set. This is the database I built upon that. World, countries, dates. We have a look at the countries. We come to the world in a moment. And here's the countries ranked by how bad they are performing. There is vaccination information, all that stuff. If you want to get see it yourself, please send me a mail. I'm gonna invite you to that team. Here is an example country, Germany, and the 7-day average, and I can zoom in if I want to. And here is the world. And let's click on it, and here we are. This is the new vaccination map, but I can show different things, like new cases. Let's click on new cases and see. This is the new cases. Obviously, the darker the blue, the worse it is. This is the new death here. Where is it most likely? At the moment, then there is MouseOver Information there. Everything you want to have from an interactive world map. And you can click on it. Let's click on some country. Let's click on Germany. And here we are again. Isn't that great? Okie doke. World map again. Nah, this is not what I wanted. World map again. And new vaccination, why not? And as you can see now, the MouseOver Information has, and if I click on it, I get to vaccination, as it should be. So every selection here can have a different landing page if I want to. And last but not least, I can change the color. Whoopsie, and like a dark red. I think it's really great. And see what the effect is. I like it. I like it very much. It's pretty. I like it very much. I like the bluish and everything. How is it done? Obviously it's an SVG file, scalable vector graphics, and Ninox manipulated it. If you want to see it for yourself, send me a mail. I'm gonna invite you into that team. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff for me now. Thank you.